Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to a new video on the book of memes. All right, had to cover it. Wanted to do an update already yesterday, yesterday afternoon, like another update. But in the end, did not do it. I mean, when did I make the video yesterday? I think it was right here, maybe when we had quite a lot of bullish momentum here at 2 cents. And what I said is that, all right, this will continue up to 2.5 cents and then afterwards 3 cents until we find such a strong resistance level that the open interest, which is the momentum, starts to drop down. And eventually that was actually a bit more like a hybrid level right here at 2.75 cents, because what often happens with these new coins, but also new meme coins, is that the psychological levels are most important. And with the momentum we had yesterday, I mean, you can still very much see that right here. With the momentum we had yesterday morning, you cannot even see that right here, but it was the case already. It's most likely that you will actually move up higher. So that's why I said 2 cents, 2.5, 3 cents. But no, 2.75, like I said, that was the first level that when we hit that level, the open interest started to drop down and had a bit of a bit of a drop. Now, what's interesting is that right now there is a divergence. All right, price has dropped down, has made a lower high, and the open interest has gone up. Now, the main conclusion we can kind of make based on that is that a lot of short positions have been opened. And that's interesting, all right? Personally, I think Book of Memes, if we talk about how it came about and how it got all those listings, honestly, it feels a bit weird, all right? A volume of about $5 billion right now. It's pretty crazy. But the thing is that right now the market is just down a bit, and I also see that a lot of people, a lot of retail is just flocking to Bome, hoping to make a profit out of this. So what that means is that, well, first of all, my prediction is that we're going to get a lot of volatility. So you should be prepared for that. But it also means, and I sincerely hope that we actually do have some numbers on this. But it also means that there's probably a lot of liquidity around the price, like especially here to the upside. There's a lot of liquidity. And that's interesting because I already think that Bome is quite, how do you say it? It's quite suspicious. So then you would also say that it's quite likely that we will actually grab that liquidity, liquidate retail, and then drop back down. So I'm actually a bit more bullish on Bome than bearish. And what also helps is that Bitcoin earlier today also got some more bullish momentum. Which usually, if meme coins are bullish, Bitcoin has to be bullish as well. With Bome, that hasn't really been the case, but all right. So we're just waiting for that, all right? We're waiting for some confirmation. You can also see some sort of a weird structure with the trend lines. The EMAs are practically flat here, so that would suggest some sort of a consolidation somewhere in this range, so between 2.45 and 1.75. And I also think that's the case, but right now, especially if Bitcoin gets some sort of a bullish breakout here, I would actually say it's most likely that Bome will hit that liquidity to the upside. Like so many people are shorting right now, it's almost too good to let go. All right, if you grab all that liquidity, if whales sell off into that position, we'll grab that liquidity and then drop back down. That's most likely in my eyes right now. But then again, I mean, it's a very new meme coin. Technicals don't really matter that much. And at this point of time, like I said, it very much depends on Bitcoin as well. If Bitcoin can get that bullish reclaim, then euphoria in the market might be there again. People flock to Bome. We'll get up to 2.5 cents. And then we can even break above that. So like if we break above 2.5 cents is ideal, because then we're going up to 3 cents. But that's not what I expect. I think it's more likely we'll just spike up there and then drop back down. And in general, and that's very much most important right now for Bome, is that I think it's best for most of retail to stay out of this, because most of the gains are probably already gone. Maybe if Bitcoin really becomes bullish again, then there's still like a 2x possible for Bome, but that's going to be very difficult. So I would not bet any money on that at this point of time. And the main thing to wait for is one of the key levels to break. So that's either 1.75 cents to break, that's major bearish confirmation, or 2.4, 2.5 cents to break, that's major bullish confirmation. If one of those levels breaks, then we have some confirmation and some sense of direction. Otherwise, we're just gambling, right? So be careful. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.